Join us as we explore the essential make-ahead recipes that will make your Onam Sadhya a seamless success. Our first star of the show is the fiery and flavorful Puli Inji. Soak some tamarind, peel and cut the ginger to small pieces. Saute finely chopped ginger in coconut oil or sesame oil until it turns a rich, deep golden brown. This step is crucial for the classic nutty flavor. Next, add a generous amount of chopped green chilies and curry leaves for the signature aroma. In the meantime, roast some fenugreek seeds. Grind coarsely in a blender. Add the roasted ginger, chilies and curry leaves and blend it together. To the leftover oil after roasting ginger, add some mustard seeds and turmeric powder. Once the mustard seeds splutter, add tamarind pulp, half a teaspoon red chili powder, salt to taste, a teaspoon jaggery powder, and the ground ginger chili mixture. Stir and let it cook. Tasted it a little bit and adding more salt. Transfer to a bottle and store. Our next recipe is Nellikai achar. Rinse the gooseberries, add water and some turmeric powder and boil it and keep it aside. I dry roast excess fenugreek seeds and keep it aside. I've used some for Puli Inji and I'm using the rest for this instant gooseberry pickle. Coarsely pound it and keep it aside. Next, remove the seeds from this cooked gooseberries. To a pan, add some sesame oil, some mustard seeds, then add a little turmeric powder, a little chili powder, and add the chopped gooseberries. Add the fenugreek seed powder and mix it. Salt to taste. Transfer the pickle to a jar or bottle and store. Next, we are making Shakara Varatti or sweet banana chips. First, heat some coconut oil in a pan. Try and use raw banana of the Nendran variety. Otherwise, any other variety will do. Remove the stalk, peel the skin with a peeler, and chop them into semicircles. Now add the chopped bananas to the hot oil. It should be fried very well, otherwise your Sharkara variety will be very limp. Drain and remove from oil and keep it aside for cooling. Now I am making jaggery syrup. No measurements as I will be using the extra for the payasam. To a cup of jaggery powder, add a little water. Add some cardamom powder and let it boil till you get a one-string consistency. Add the fried banana pieces to the jaggery syrup. Stir well and keep it aside for a few minutes. Now to a small bowl, add 2 teaspoons of sugar, 2 tablespoons of rice powder, 1.5 teaspoons cumin powder, a pinch of nutmeg powder, and around a teaspoon of dry ginger powder. Stir it together. Remove the chips from the jaggery syrup and spread it out on a plate. Add the rice flour spice mixture and mix it thoroughly. Repeat the process till the chips are well coated. Prepare these key dishes ahead of time and have a stress-free Onam Sadhya. Thank you for watching Savarchi Bavarchi. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel and also click on the bell icon.